to my viewers from wherever you have been watching. My name is Namdele Adebayo from Avila Banks Educational Consult. We are located in Ikorodu here. So today I'll be treating some topics on arithmetic progression. Some students believe that it is too difficult, but I will try as much as possible to make it more simplified. And I believe as you watch it, you really enjoy it and understand it. Don't hesitate in sending your questions and some other areas of challenge. Thank you. Happy viewing. That's AP. Geometric progression, that's GP. And we have sequences and series. SS, not sickle cell. So I want you to note that everything starts from sequences and series. Are we together? Yes, sir. Two of them are not the same. There's a slight difference in between two. Are you getting me? For sequences, when a number is arranged in an orderly manner, well arranged, you can say such a number is a sequence. Like when I have 1, the next one is what? 2, 3, 4. It is orderly because the difference in between all these numbers is what? 1. Just like if I write 4, 8, 12, 16. So the pattern is well arranged, is in good order. Difference of 1 here. Difference of what here? 4 here. Are you getting me? So this is reversed to as what? Sequence. Are we together? Yes. But for series, there is going to be a sign there. Usually, it can be plus or minus. Are you getting now? Yes, sir. It's also in an orderly pattern, but the only difference is going to be sign. Like if I'm having plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. You can see that the number, the difference is what? 1. But because of this sign, are you getting now? It has made it to be what we call what? Series. Are you getting now? And they are just a fractional part of what we do in AP and GP. Is that clear now? Yes. Good. So now we are doing a kind of introduction. So something that is common, let me put terminologies here. Let me write terminologies. That is some hints that you need to know. Either geometric progression or arithmetic progression, you'll be seeing a letter like A. This A stands for what we call what? First what? Term. Are we together? You'll be seeing a figure like N. It means number of term. Are we together? We can give an example. E.g. here now. You have a number 1, 2, 3, 4. And they ask you that what is your A? Your A means what? First term. They don't want to say first number. They say first term. Meaning that here now, your A is going to be what? 1. Do you understand now? Yes. Good. This N now means number of terms. Look at this number for an example now. 1 to 4. The number of terms is what? 4. Good. 4. Are you getting now? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting now? Yes. So if they now ask you Now what is the fourth number there? The fourth number is going to be what? 4. Are we together now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you'll be seeing some number like figure like Tn. This Tn, at times students will mistakenly took it for number of term. No. N is only N that will say number of term. But Tn means what? Last term. What did I say?
Last term.
Last term. We don't want to say last number. So look at this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last term here is what? 4. Meaning that your Tn here now, your Tn is equal to what? 4. I'm giving all this because there will be a time they will give you some question. They will not simplify it for you. They want you to use your brain to do that. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
All right. When we go further again, we can be seeing something like D. And this stands for what? Common difference. What do I call it?
Common difference.
No, we're doing introduction, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Look at this number now. 2, 4, 6, 8. And they ask us to find the common difference. The common difference is going to be what? 2.
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
And how do we get the 2? See, this is how we got the 2. You remove the first number from the second number, which is what? 4 minus 2, which is what? 2. Not 2 minus 4. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So, common difference. That one usually comes mostly under arithmetic progression. I get that. I'm trying to mix the two together to bring everything. You know. So, under this, we can be seeing another thing like R. That one comes under GP. So that R means what? Common ratio. It is in AP that we use common difference, but in GP we use common what? Ratio. And the way we calculated common difference is going to be different from the way we calculate common ratio. Like now, they gave us 1, 3, 9, 27, and they asked us to calculate the common ratio. So I need someone that is brilliant enough to tell me what it's going to be. How am I going to? Yeah. 3 divided by 1, and it's going to give us what? 3 abi, which is also synonymous to 9 divided by 3. Will also give us what? 3. Which is also 27 divided by 9, which will also give us what? 3. So that's how we calculate common ratio. I'm going to give you a test after this class. Alright, are we together?
Yes, sir.
So, another area is that after first term, number of term, last term, common difference, common ratio, we can still see something like SN. And that one will be what? Sulaiman. Sum of what? End term. Abi, or simply put, sum of numbers of terms. Are you getting now?
Yes.
Like now, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, what's going to be my SM?
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
I'm going to add everything together. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And it's going to 1 plus 2. 3 plus 3 plus this.
10.
So my SN is going to what? 10. But under this topic, we have a formula that will enable us to solve it instantly, because imagine when you're having a rows of number like 20 numbers, are you going to say 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3? If care is not taken, you will faint there. Alright, are we together? Yes. But we have a formula that will bring everything together and it's going to be accurate. Are you getting me now? Yes. So, and then we still have what we call sum to infinity. Sum of infinity or sum to infinity. Are you getting it? When we get to that area, we'll still do that one. I'm just giving you a skeletal part of all the formulas that we have under AP and GP. What is common to them? Everything. First term, end term, last term, common difference, common ratio, and sum of end term, and then sum to infinity. Are you getting me? Or is there anyone again you can remember? I've done all my, so that's just from my own point of view. This is just all those things that we need there. And another thing you need to know under this is make sure you understand the statement very well before you start solving, because some of the questions used to be somehow similar, but they are not the same thing. Are you getting that? Yes. And when you are given a series or sequence, you must be able to know that this number, based on the difference between the two, this one is AP, this one is GP. Are we together? Yes. When you are given a number like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you are given a number like 1, 3, 9, 27. This first number, is it AP or GP? Is it AP or GP? Is it AP or GP?
AP.
Because the common difference there is what? 3. You can easily get down that it is 3, Abi. Yes. But when you look at this one, even if you say from 1 to 3, the common difference is 2, Abi. From 3 to 9 is what? 6. From 9 to 27 is far. That's to tell you that it is not AP but what? GP. So here there's nothing like common difference, but what? Common ratio. Are you getting my point now?
Yes.
What's the time?
The time is 2:10.
2:10, Abi. Alright, good. So now, having taken you through all this now, I think I should start from AP. And some other thing that they do bring out there. Okay. Can I throw the board now?
No.
Okay, you can write. The simplest now, arithmetic progression. But before that, let me chip in something small. I didn't see it here. I didn't see something on social, but I've come across it. Like now, they can give you a term is expressed as 2 times 5 raised to power n. So now says find fifth term, sum of third and fifth term, product of seventh term and third term. Are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
So I've come across something like this in the book. Let me even put -1 here. Are we together? But it's not here, but just come to my mind now. And I remember one day like that, I was trying to give people a question, but it's like a certain department is busy. And by the time I asked Marvelous, I would like him to give me the question. It was another thing entirely. You remember? Yes, something of such. So when you come across like this, something like this, it's very simple. Are we together? So when you want to solve this down, they told you that a term is expressed like this. Are you getting it? So you can write Tn equal to 2 times 5 raised to power n minus 1. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
And the first one, they said you find fifth term. What that means is that your number of term is going to be 5. Your number of term is going to be what?
5.
5. Meaning that whenever you see n, you put what there? 5. So here I'm going to have T5 equal to 2 times 5 raised to power 5 minus 1. So T5 here is going to be C. I know some of you will say 2 times 5, 10. No. Because this 5 is carrying a load that is heavier than itself. It's just like when you pass beyond your boundary. Like you have to set yourself first. So now it's going to be 2 times 5 raised to power 5 minus 1, 4. And it's going to be T5 will be equal to 2 times. This 5 means 5 in 4 places. That's 5. Let me write it. It's up very well. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 in 4 places. I will tell that. Then now you can multiply through. I will tell that. Can we go now? 2 times 5. 10, Abi?
Yes.
Don't worry. Leave that 10 somewhere, Abi. That 10 is this. 5 times 5.
25.
25 times 5.
125.
1. That's times 125, Abi. So just write your 125 and put this 0 there.
Wow.
Are we okay? Test it with your calculator now. 1250. Are we together?
Yes.
When you have a longer number, you want to multiply them, you can break them into a fraction. Multiply this one, multiply this one, multiply. Then multiply this together. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. So that's Roman figure A for you. For number 2 now, Roman figure 2, they say find the sum. Sum. When we are in primary school, when we hear the word sum, it means plus. Abi?
Yes.
When you hear subtraction,
Minus.
it means what? Minus. Abi? When we hear the word what? Division. Division is what? Divide. Abi?
Yes.
And when you hear the word product, product means what? Multiplication. I'm giving you a kind of clip. I will tell you that. So now for Roman figure 2 now, that's they say find the sum of the third term. That's T3 and T5. Are we together?
Yes.
Initially we've gotten our T5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The value for our T5 is what? 1250. So we don't have T3 down. So that's what we need to do now. So bring this down. Tn equal to what? 2 times 5 raised to power n minus 1. Don't forget here, it means that your n is equal to what? 3. Do you understand? So whenever you see n, you put what there? 3. So this is going to be T3 equal to 2 times 5, 3 minus 1. So T3 equal to 2 times 5 raised to power 2. So this T3, 2 times 5 in 2 places, 5 times 5. So T3 is going to be 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 5,
50.
Alright. So now our T3 plus T5 now is going to just be 50 plus 1250, and it's going to give us what? 1 3. Is that not 1 3?
Yes.
Good. That's the sum of your third and fifth term. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
So now, are we together?
Yes.
Roman, we got 3. Product sign. Product of what? 7th term. And what? 3rd term, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, let me say T7 and T3. I think we've gotten the value for T3. Our 3rd term is what? 50, Abi? Good. So there's still for us to calculate T7. So we go back to the expression, which is what? Tn equal to 2 times 5 raised to power n minus 1. Are we together?
Yes.
So here now, it means your n is equal to what? 7. Are we together?
Yes.
Thank you. So now we have T7 equal to 2 times 5 raised to power 7 minus 1. So we have T7 equal to 2 times 5 raised to power 6. Alright. So T7, these 5 mean in 6 places. Are we together?
Yes.
5 times 5.
Times 5.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we need to multiply them together. Isn't it, Abi?
Yes.
Alright, what are you going to do now? So I want you to break it this way. So it's going to be 2 times 5 times 5. 25 times 5. 125, Abi. This is another 3 here. 5 times 5 times this, that's 125, Abi. Alright, so you can use your calculator to solve this one for me. So this is going to be 250 times 125. So Munira, what you get?
It's 1,250.
Just give me a digit. 3
31 250.
250, and that's the end of everything. A round of applause. The 9th term of an AP. 18, 12, 6, 0, minus 6. This dotted line means that the number still continues. I wait now. So when you want to solve this, make sure you write solution. Alright. This is your formula. Tn is equal to what? A plus n minus 1. You are asked to find what? 9th term. Meaning that your n is going to be what? 9. So now look at this expression. Your A is what?
18 minus 2.
18, that's the first term. You will need D. That's your common difference. I told you, you take the second and remove the first from it. Or this, you remove this. Not 18 minus 12, no. But what? I can say 12 minus 18. And that's going to give me what? Minus what?
6. Minus 6.
Alright, good. So now let us stop. We put all this on there. So with the formula, we are looking for Tn Our n is what? 9. Equal to our a is what now? 18 plus, that's what?
9 minus 1.
Our d is what? Minus. You can put this in the bracket. Are we together? So this is going to be T9 equal to 18 plus 9 minus 1. 8. Meaning this 8 and a minus 6. So you have 18 plus, don't worry, 8 times 6. That's minus 48. You want to open this bracket now. So you have 18 plus times minus. That's minus 48. So T9. So T9 equals to what?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Alright. So meaning that if you extend this number going, so the 30th number, or 30th value is going to be minus 30.
The ninth number.
I mean, sorry, the 9th number. How to get that? I put this minus 6 inside the bracket. I get it now because I don't want a kind of mix up here. I get it now because if I didn't put this bracket here, it will to some students it will sound like 8 minus 6. Do you understand that? So that I have to put it. When it's ordinary number, you can put it in the bracket too. That bracket is telling that you have to multiply the number enclosed inside the bracket with the number at the front. Is that taken out?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that's that. Let me move to the second one. Are we together? So it's different from that. Look at this second one now. I'll just do a kind of analysis. I may ask you to do the remaining one for me. So, solution. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Good. He is just like what problem? It's what problem? Move to that side.
Move to this side.
Are we together? So this is what problem? Stand up from that place. Sit here. There's still space here. Over, carry your bag. Excuse me. Hello.
I just shoot.
Carry your bag.
Can we move on now? So look at this now. Look at this. It's not as simple as the first one we did. Now, the sum in mathematics, you know that sum is this. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The sum of second, that's T2. That second means second term. And fifth term with what? T5 of an arithmetic progression is equal to what? 42. This is first expression. Good. Then now look at another expression. I can make this one. Let me make this one. Let me say 1. Let's say question 1. Look at the other expression. If the difference in mathematics, difference means this. Stop that side talk. Now, if the difference between what? 6th, that's T6, and third term, T3, equal to what? 12. This second expression, I can make it what? Equation 2. There is need for you to expand this equation 1 and equation 2. How do we go about that? T2, T5. To some people, it might be somehow confusing, but it is simple. Let's go by this. Everybody, you know that A is called what? First term, I mean?
Yes.
It means A is your T1. Are we together? For you to get it to get T2, it means that your number of term there, number of term n is equal to what? 2. Are we together? Don't forget the formula. See the n beside t. This number of term. Abi, for you to get T2, it means your n is what? 2. You now come to your formula, which is what? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket d. So here now, t, what am I going to write here? 2 equal to, did they give us first term? No. Plus, this is what? 2 minus 1 bracket d. So this is T2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1, 1. It means 1 times d. So you have what? T2 to be equal to what? A plus d. Do you understand now? This is, your second term is what? A plus d. Let's assume I want to get T3 also. My n will be what? 3. Good. To get T3, it means my n is also 3. So I will use this formula. It's equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So our n is what? 3. A plus what? 3 minus 1 minus 1 d. Abi? So we have 3. It's going to be a plus 2 times d. So we have T3 to be a plus 2d. Are we together? So from this now, you can use sensory evaluation to do your own calculation. If T1 is equal to a plus d, I mean a, T2 is equal to what? A plus d. Are you getting me now? So T3 is equal to what? A plus 2d. T4 will now be what? A plus 3d. T5, A plus 4d. T6, A plus 5d. T7, A plus 6d. Do you understand now? I have to explain this to you before I continue. So let me write from equation 1. In equation 1, we have T2 plus T5 equal to 42. So now, with the experience so far, our T2 is what? A plus D plus our T5 will now be what? A plus 4D equal to 42. So here now, we do a kind of rearrangement. We collect the like terms. So this is A plus A plus D plus 4D equal to 42. A plus A, 2A plus 5D equal to 42. This one can be equation 3. Good. Alright, so let's move to another one from equation what? Equation 2. Equation 2 is T6 minus T3 equal to 12. T6, 6th term, is going to be what? A plus 5D minus, put a bracket here. T3rd is going to be what? A plus 2D equal to 12. Are we together? Yes, sir. So we have A plus 5D. I want to open the bracket. This minus is going to affect the sign in. So minus A, minus times plus, minus 2D equal to 12. Alright, are we together? So we collect the like terms. So this one is A minus A. So we have what? Plus 5D minus 2D equal to 12. Alright, A minus A is what? A minus A, 0. Good. So we have 5D minus 2D, and it's going to give us what? 3D equal to 12. Alright, here now we can get D, isn't it? Yes. So what are we going to use to divide both sides? 3. So 3. This cut this. 3 here 1. 3 12. 4. So we have D equal to 4. Meaning that our common difference is what? Is 4. So we've gotten the answer for A already. So common difference is what? 4. Good. Alright now, so we need to go to the next one now to get the value for first term. The symbol for first term is what? Symbol for first term is what? Alright, so we have definite equation, which is what? Equation 3. And what? We have equation 3. Alright, so I think we can use that equation 3 to get the value for what? For A. So using equation 3. Alright, equation 3 is what? 2A equal to 42. Abby? Alright, we have 2A plus 5. We've gotten the value for D already, which is what? 4. Equal to what? 42. So we have 2A plus 5 times 4. 20. Equal to 42. So we have 2A equal to 42 minus 20. So we have 2A equal to what? 22. We divide both sides by what? 2. So we call this, we have what? 11. So A is equal to 11. So meaning first term is what? 11. So now, so first term is what? 11. So that's, we've answered question B now. So the C now, they ask us to find 20th term, which is what? T20. T20. So from, hello, are we together?
Yes, sir.
From here now, T20, meaning that your N is what? Your N is what? 20. So your N is equal to 20. Good. You need, look at the formula we are using. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1. We've got the value for N. Our A is what? Our A will be what? 11. And it remains something. D, good. So D is equal to what? 4. Good. So you just move on now. T20 will be equal to 11 plus 20 minus 1, 4. So we have T20 equal to 11 plus 19 times 4. Are we together? So T20 will be equal to 11 plus 19 times 4. 76. You can confirm with calculator. 76. Alright, good. So
85. 85. Okay. 19 times 4.
76. Everybody, 4 times 9. 4 times 9. 36. So you pick 6, it remains 3. Are we together? 4 times 1, 4. Plus that's 3, 7. Good. So our T20 will now be equal to what? 87. So you push everything. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good, thank you.